Look, I've been studying human-computer interaction for over a decade, and what Apple just dropped with the Vision Pro isn't just another gadget, it's a fundamental shift in how we'll perceive reality itself. And most people are completely missing the three features that will reshape everything. See, everyone's talking about the price point, the battery life, the usual tech spec nonsense. But they're ignoring the psychological revolution happening right in front of us. This isn't about better screens or faster processors, this is about rewiring the human experience of space, presence, and consciousness itself. And if you understand what's really happening here, you'll see why this moment is as significant as the introduction of the printing press. The first game changer is what Apple calls eyesight, but think deeper than the marketing. This isn't just about showing your eyes to other people. It's solving the fundamental isolation problem that every VR headset has created. When you put on traditional VR, you disappear from the world. You become this black box entity that others can't connect with. But eyesight creates something unprecedented, permeable presence. You're simultaneously in virtual space and social space. Your family can see your expressions, your attention, your humanity, even while you're manipulating three-dimensional interfaces floating in midair. This breaks down the barrier between digital immersion and human connection in ways that will fundamentally alter how we work, learn, and relate to each other. The second revolution is spatial computing with hand tracking, but here's what nobody's talking about: this eliminates the cognitive overhead of tool mediation. Think about it from a phenomenological perspective. Right now, to interact with digital content, you need a mouse, a keyboard, a touchscreen, these intermediary objects that require learned motor patterns. Your brain has to translate intention into tool manipulation into digital action. But when you can simply reach out and grab a virtual object, resize a window with your fingers, or push an app away with a gesture, you're collapsing that cognitive distance. The digital world becomes as immediate and intuitive as physical reality. This isn't just convenient, it's cognitively revolutionary. But the third feature is the most profound: infinite workspace with persistent spatial memory. Your apps don't live on a screen anymore, they live in locations around you. You can pin your calendar to the wall behind your left shoulder, keep your messaging apps floating to your right, have your creative projects spread across virtual surfaces throughout your room. And here's the kicker: the system remembers where you put everything. This isn't just organization, it's augmenting human spatial memory in ways that could fundamentally enhance how we think and work. What we're witnessing is the emergence of what I call augmented consciousness, not just augmented reality, but an actual expansion of cognitive capability. When your digital tools become as spatially intuitive as physical objects, when you can maintain social presence while manipulating virtual interfaces, when your workspace becomes infinite and persistent, you're not just using technology differently, you're thinking differently. This is the beginning of post-screen computing. We're moving beyond the rectangle that has dominated human-computer interaction for 50 years. And the psychological implications are staggering. When digital objects have spatial presence, when virtual interfaces respond to natural human gestures, when you can be simultaneously present in multiple realities, we're not just changing how we use computers, we're changing what it means to be human in a digital age. If this breakdown helped you see beyond the hype to the real transformation happening here, hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the psychology of emerging technology. And tell me in the comments, which of these features do you think will have the biggest impact on how you work and think? Because this isn't just about Apple. This is about the future of human consciousness itself, and we're living through the beginning of that transformation right now.